Hello students and welcome back to your English class. So today we are going to learn a new lesson. Today we are going to learn a new lesson that is your second chapter of second unit. And heading of the chapter is the Song of Songs. The heading of the chapter is the Song of Songs. Now, by hearing the heading of the song, hearing the heading of the Song of Songs, what comes in your mind? It might be related to music. It might be related to music or song, right? Now in this chapter we are going to learn about Sant Haridas. Sant Haridas, Sant Haridas, who was the guru of the great Tansen. Sant Haridas was guru of the great Tansen, who was musician in Akbar's court. Tansen was musician in Akbar's court. So open your textbook to page number 60 and be ready with your notebook and pencil to underline the hard words and note down the important meanings. So before starting the chapter, we are going to learn or see the summary of the chapter, the Song of Songs. In this chapter, the great musician Tansen great Tansen, who was a very famous singer. Tansen was very famous singer. Tansen was very famous singer in Akbar's court. Akbar's court. He was singing the Rag Darbari. And Akbar always admired Tansen, that he was singing in a very great way. Tansen's voice was very melodious. So Akbar asked Tansen to continue with his song so that he can listen to his song the whole day. He felt that he is feeling like to listen the Tansen's music. Who is feeling like to listen the Tansen's music? Akbar feeling like to listen the Tansen's music whole day. Tansen was feeling very nice. Tansen was feeling very nice because Akbar was admiring his voice. And Tansen showed his silent gratitude towards Akbar. But Tansen told Akbar that there is one more person. One more person means Tansen's guru, who sings melodiously and much more better than Tansen, much more better than him. Akbar was surprised because he did not hear anyone, any singer than Tansen. Akbar was surprised. He asked Tansen that who is the person. Then Tansen told him that he is my guru who taught me the music, and his name is Sant Haridas. My guru's name is Sant Haridas. So Akbar was very keen to meet him and asked Tansen to call him in Darbar. But Tansen Tansen told to Akbar that he is not going to come to your court. Then Akbar was surprised to hear this explanation of Tansen. He told, if he comes to know that I have called him, then also is not going to come, because I am the ruler, I am the king. So the Tansen replied him. Tansen replied to Shahenshah. Tansen replied to Akbar, no, he is not going to come because he has already left all things, all luxurious life, all everything, and he is staying in a small hut. My guru is left everything and he is staying in a small hut and living a very simple life. So Akbar told him that I will go to him. I will go to him if he can't come to my court. If Sant Haridas did not come to my court, I will go to him. If he can't come to my court, then I will go him and listen his music. Then Tansen gave an idea to change his reality, because Akbar was Shahenshah, Akbar was king. So Tansen gave an idea to change his reality, change his costume and visit his Guru Sant Haridas. So both Tansen and Akbar, both means two people, Tansen and Akbar, went to Sant Haridas, and finally Sant Haridas took the Tanpura and sang melodiously. Now, completing the summary, I am going to explain the all chapter one by one or line by line.